Welcome to the Thursday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast. Today we're diving into the sizzling tech stock scene with Parsons Corporation smashing records with a 68.2% year-to-date rocket launch, and Microsoft's thrilling partnership with Rezolve AI. Think retail meets AI superpowers. We'll also explore Western Union's digital leap in Chile with Khipu's cutting-edge tech and Paylocity's game-changing sponsorship with the Dallas Stars. It's an electrifying mix of growth, innovation, and strategic moves. All the juicy details you need to stay ahead. You're in for a wild ride through the tech stock world, so buckle up and let's get started. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and stock market mavens. Today we're diving deep into Parsons Corporation, which has been generating quite the buzz in the tech sector. With its recent performance and exciting growth prospects, Parsons is seriously turning heads. First off, let's talk about Parsons hitting a fresh 52-week high of $105.81. That's right, folks. This is a company on the move. Since the beginning of the year, Parsons has seen an impressive stock price increase of 68.2%. To put this into perspective, that's way beyond the 14.4% growth in the Zacks business services sector and nearly triple the 28.7% gain in the Zacks technology services industry. Why all the excitement, you ask? Well, Parsons has been a growth investor's dream thanks to its fantastic trajectory in earnings and sales. The company's expected earnings per share is expected to grow by a whopping 31.6% this year, clearly outperforming the industry average of 28.4%. And with a sales growth forecast of 19%, Parsons shows it's not just keeping pace with revenue generation, it's outpacing it in turbo mode. But wait, it gets better. Parsons also knows how to utilize its assets efficiently. With an asset utilization ratio of 1.23, it manages to squeeze out $1.23 for every dollar in assets, leaving the industry average of 0.63 in its dust. Besides growth, Parsons is getting the nod for momentum. Momentum investors love a stock that's surging in the short term, and Parsons fits the bill perfectly with a delicious pull ahead of 32.86% over the past 3 months and an eye-watering 93.63% over the past year. This kind of price action shows that Parsons is not just riding the waves, it's making them. All this peppy performance comes alongside a cracking record of positive earnings surprises, reliably beating Zacks consensus estimates every quarter. And given that juicy Q2 EPS report of 84 versus the anticipated 66 cents, it's understandable why everyone in the boardroom is doing the running man. With a Zacks ranked number 2, Parsons is hanging out in premium stock territory. Zacks style scores give it a B in growth and momentum, which spells out an enticing future. However, let's not ignore the small hiccup in its value grade of C, as it trades at 33 times the estimated fiscal year's EPS, suggesting it's a little premium priced compared to the industry average of 24.5 times. Parsons might be futuristic in its performance, but who's challenging for its throne? Keep an eye or two on Rezolve Corporation, another player with bright scores. But for now, Parsons is dispelling any doubts about whether it still has room to run. In conclusion, Parsons isn't just a fad, it's a go-getter that's got the gusto to keep going strong. Keep your eyes peeled and your investment portfolios readied. Hey folks, get ready for some big news in the tech world today. Microsoft is in the headlines, but this time not just for their usual cutting-edge innovations. They've just announced a game-changing partnership with Rezolve AI, and oh boy, is it stirring up a buzz. So here's the scoop. Microsoft Corporation, known to you and me as one of the tech giants consistently pushing boundaries, has teamed up with Rezolve AI, a leader in AI-powered commerce solutions. This partnership isn't just any run-of-the-mill handshake. It promises to enhance global retail innovations by leveraging AI-powered commerce solutions extensively. Rezolve AI is bringing to the table its phenomenal Brain Suite, which includes Brain Commerce, Brain Checkout, and Brain Assistant. Think of it as the Avengers of AI tools, designed to tackle the everyday headaches retailers face in the e-commerce world, like customer engagement issues and those pesky abandoned shopping carts we're all guilty of. These powerful AI heroes will now be hosted on Microsoft Azure, making them accessible on a grand global stage via Azure Marketplace. So what makes this partnership so exciting? Well, it's all about scalability and capability. Microsoft isn't just hosting these solutions. They're diving deep with Rezolve AI to provide substantial go-to-market and co-sell support for the next 5 years. Imagine the combo of Rezolve's unique AI models merged with the cloud powerhouse that is Microsoft Azure. They're like the epic duo we didn't know we needed. Microsoft's president of industry and partnerships, Nick Parker, put it perfectly. There's immense potential in generative AI to transform how retailers operate, and they're here to put that potential to work. Microsoft aims to combine its cloud expertise with the innovative nuggets from Rezolve AI to seriously up the game for retailers worldwide. Daniel M. Wagner, the brains CEO behind Rezolve AI, couldn't be more jazzed about the partnership. He says it's all about leveraging Microsoft's global reach and Azure's tech capabilities to create a synergy that could, quite literally, revolutionize retail and commerce. But wait, there's more. Retailers jumping on this AI bandwagon can look forward to personalized shopping experiences and more streamlined operations, all powered by Microsoft and Rezolve's combined tools. We're talking smarter recommendations, frictionless checkouts, and seamless customer experiences. From Microsoft's end, they remain committed to making AI broadly available and doing so responsibly. This partnership aligns with their mission to empower every person and organization on the planet. They really mean business when they say empowerment for all. So whether you're a retailer, developer, or just tech-obsessed like me, brace yourself for the exciting developments about to unfold. Microsoft and Rezolve AI are onto something big, and we can't wait to see how this reshapes the retail world with what seems to be some genuinely futuristic tech. Keep your eyes peeled because this duo may signal a revolution in how we engage with technology and retail. Cue the dramatic sci-fi music. All right, folks, grab your favorite snack because I've got some hot news that's faster than a fiber optic connection. Today, the Western Union company, fondly known as WU on the NASDAQ, is making waves in the digital payments space. They're teaming up with Khipu, an open finance company, to revolutionize how folks in Chile transfer money. And seriously, who doesn't love a good revolution in their cash flow? Picture this. You want to send money digitally, but first, you've got to jump through the virtual equivalent of fiery hoops. Previously, Chilean users had to exit the cozy confines of the Western Union app or site and pop over to their bank's online platform just to complete a payment. It was like having to leave your cozy living room to make a phone call. Doesn't make much sense, right? But now, thanks to Khipu's high-tech wizardry, users can perform the entire transaction right where they started, within Western Union's own digital ecosystem. Slicker than a well-oiled motherboard, I'd say. This new feature is right out of the box, available on both the Western Union Chile app and website, making money transfers speedier and smoother. And if you're the kind of person who loves freebies, Western Union is running a special promo. Your first remittance using the online bank transfer method comes with a sweet $0 fee. It's like finding $1 in a college student's laundry. Rare and delightful. Why is all this important? Well, Western Union is on a mission to establish a stronghold in the Chilean remittance market, and this is a solid step in their global digital expansion strategy. By making transactions quicker and easier, they're setting the stage for more customers to flock to their money transfer services. This isn't just about convenience. It's a savvy business move to streamline operations and up those digital money transfer revenues. That's cash registers ringing across borders. Cha-ching. Now, Western Union stock has had a bit of a bumpy ride, dipping 0.7% year to date, a number that's dwarfed by the broader industry's 8.8% growth. But don't count WU out just yet. They're pulling a Rocky Balboa and planning to rise back into contention with strategic investments and partnerships. They've built up a strong digital platform to ensure they remain the go-to for efficient global money transfers, particularly in underserved areas where such services make a world of difference. Long story short, Western Union is flexing its technological muscles in Chile with Khipu's help, transforming the remittance game and making cross-border payments a breeze. So next time you're pondering the mysteries of the universe over your cappuccino, remember that Western Union is on a quest to make the world just a little bit smaller, one seamless transaction at a time. Keep an eye on them, because who doesn't love a good underdog story with a tech-savvy twist? Today, we're diving into the exciting intersection of tech, sports, and business as Paylocity Holdings skates onto the ice with big news. They're making headlines by forging a dynamic new partnership with the Dallas Stars, a team that has become a staple in the NHL and plays in the heart of Texas. What makes this newsworthy is that it's Paylocity's first official sponsorship with an NHL franchise, marking a solid step into the world of sports partnerships. So, what exactly is going down on and off the ice? Paylocity, already celebrated for its cloud-based HR and payroll software solutions, is upping its game by entering a multi-year corporate sponsorship with the Dallas Stars. This isn't a partnership made on a whim. The Dallas Stars have been customers of Paylocity since 2015. The win-win collaboration has seen Paylocity handling back-end essentials like payroll processing, benefits management, and employee self-service tools for the team, easing the life of the Stars' HR team and letting them focus on what they do best, strategic initiatives. Transforming from a tech provider-client relationship into a sponsored partnership, Paylocity is set to support the Stars beyond HR functionality. This move allows them to engage deeply with Stars fans and Texas-based organizations while enhancing community presence and corporate citizenship efforts alongside the hockey team. And it doesn't just stop there. Both Paylocity's president and CEO, Toby Williams, and Dallas Stars president and CEO, Brad Alberts, can't stop gushing about this upgraded relationship, emphasizing the mutual benefits and shared goal of supporting team members both on and off the ice. It's all about team spirit and backing unsung heroes who work behind the scenes. Rooted in Schaumburg, Illinois, Paylocity may well be a game changer not just in the payroll world, but in setting a trend for tech companies eyeing collaborations that pull them out of Silicon Valley and straight into sports arenas worldwide. As they say, teamwork makes the dream work, and it's a dream come true for Paylocity to assist the Stars enhance their team culture and processes. So, what do you think? Does this team up have the potential to open new avenues for tech firms to build similar sponsorships in the sports world? Are you Team Paylocity? Do you see your favorite tech companies forging cool partnerships like this one? Let your thoughts glide like a hockey puck into the comments section. We love hearing from you. and your insights might just be the power play needed in this exciting story. Let's take a closer look at Parsons Corporation, the rising star on the NASDAQ that's been catching everyone's attention. If you're watching this company's trajectory, you'll likely be inspired to make some bold moves in your investment portfolio. The stock just hit a 52-week high at 105.81, with a meteoric rise of 68.2% since the start of the year. So would I buy, sell, or hold Parsons based on today's buzz? Let's dive in. To buy or not to buy? With its stellar growth in earnings and efficient use of assets, Parsons seems like a dreamy pick for growth and momentum investors. An earnings per share growth estimate of 31.6% outpaces industry averages. Add to that, its asset utilization stature of $1.23 for every dollar shows it's maximizing its resources better than most. The past performance candles are flickering with encouraging shots of price improvements, up 32.86% in just 3 months. Risk assessment? Though things are radiant, heed the caution of gaining elevation near the value ceiling. With a PE ratio of 33, this suggests the stock might be a smidge overvalued. Translation, it could be pricey, and investors might have high expectations baked in. In conclusion, if your investment strategy aligns with riding robust growth and momentum waves, Parsons is likely signaling a green light, albeit cautiously. But remember, stocks flirting with new highs can retreat if the expectations set by growth falter. I'd suggest holding on to Parsons in a mixed investment phase. Enjoy the ride, but don't forget your seatbelt. Buyers diving in now should be mindful of price levels and valuations, making sure their pasted-on smile is backed by solid research. Hold if you've got some skin in this game already. Continuing with cautious optimism seems wise. As always, do your exhaustive research, since the stock market can be as unpredictable as a cat on a Roomba. Understand your risk tolerance and align your picks with your financial goals. After all, investing wisely often trumps investing quickly. Happy hunting, and may the market odds be ever in your favor. Today's market activity was packed with excitement and notable performances. Parsons Corporation dazzled with a record-breaking climb in stock price, winning admiration for its growth potential and efficient asset use. Microsoft hit the headlines, revealing a groundbreaking partnership with Rezolve AI to revolutionize retail through AI-powered tools on Azure. Western Union flexed its digital muscles, enhancing money transfers in Chile with Khipu's open finance tech, while Paylocity scored with more than just payrolls by teaming up with the Dallas Stars in a visionary sponsorship. Overall, the tech sector roared with innovation and strategic moves, showing no signs of slowing down. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it insightful, and hit that subscribe button for your daily dose of tech news served with a side of enthusiasm. Share it around and keep the conversation buzzing. Join me again tomorrow for more cutting-edge updates.